In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record Minecraft with OBS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how you can record Minecraft gameplay, either single player, multiplayer, whatever, using OBS. I'm going to give you a general overview on how to set it up and how you can start recording. So first, download OBS. You will find it available at obsproject.com. This is the official website and it is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. After you download OBS, open it up. Now, the first time that you open OBS, you will have instructions on how to set it up. Sadly, I already went through that process, so I won't be able to show it in full. But if you are ever confused, you can click on Tools and use the Auto Configuration Wizard here. If you still want to go through these settings, then what you can do is click Settings at the bottom right, go over to Output. Most of the other settings aren't really going to be important, so I'm not going to be focusing on them. Output and probably Video are the categories that you want to look into. I'm going to assume that you only want to record gameplay. If you want to stream gameplay, then that's going to be another story altogether that I'm not going to cover in this video. And this is going to be a little bit more difficult because I am already recording a video, but of course I can still go over the settings with you. So on the Recording tab, you will have this Advanced View or Basic View. I recommend switching it to Advanced, so on Output mode, switch it from Basic to Advanced. Now, you will have recording settings. First, set up the recording path. This is where all of your videos that are recorded will be output to. So on this folder, you have the format. I recommend MP4 or MKV if you are going to be uploading to YouTube, or you can choose any other one that you prefer. On video encoder, it's either X264 or something like AV1 if it is available. And then after you have these settings here, you have the encoder settings. I recommend leaving it on CBR, and the bit rate, the higher you go, the better the quality is going to be, but this can affect the video size and also the stress on your hardware. So if you don't have a particularly good GPU or CPU, don't go too crazy with this value. Keyframe interval, you can leave it on 0. CPU preset, I recommend very fast if you just want lighter videos, but there's a lot to explore. I'm not going to be able to cover literally every single setting in this video, so I highly recommend that you look elsewhere. The last thing to look into is under video. So this is your base resolution and your output. So I have my main monitor on 1440p, but I don't record on this resolution. I downscale it to 1080p. If you have a 1080p monitor, just record as the base canvas on 1080p and then output to the same resolution, or you can downscale if you prefer. FPS, I recommend 60 for smooth video and gameplay. Then you have to add a source, so you click on this plus sign and then choose the option to add either a display capture or game capture. I highly recommend game. If you choose display, literally everything that appears on your monitor, including Minecraft, will be recorded. And for privacy reasons, I don't recommend this because you could forget and show something that you don't want to. So game capture is best. Once you add game capture, you choose the option here to capture a specific window and then select minecraft.exe running on the background. I'm not going to add this because it is going to mess with my current recording, so I'm just going to discard. So as you can see, I am recording my monitor. So literally anything that happens on my screen will be seen, including Minecraft. So now you can go inside, you can open OBS while you are playing, make sure that it is being recorded, and now you will be able to record your gameplay while you are inside of Minecraft. Once this is done, you stop the recording, you will have the video file, and you can upload it to YouTube or any other place. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.